eSIM card I bought from AGD this time is really great. The installation process was simple and quick, just scan the QR code to activate it immediately, no need to change to a physical SIM card, which is very convenient. Moreover, the network speed is stable, the signal is excellent, and navigation, internet browsing, and using communication software are all very smooth. This experience has made me think that eSIM is a great choice for international travel, saving the hassle of changing cards and eliminating worries about losing a SIM card. If I have any more travel plans in the future, I will probably continue to use AGD's eSIM service. This eSIM is really convenient. It activates simply by scanning a QR code without needing to change the SIM card, and you can purchase it anytime, anywhere. I no longer have to worry about finding a SIM card when abroad. The network signal is incredibly stable. I can use it smoothly without any interruptions, whether for video streaming, listening to music, or playing games. Compared to traditional physical SIM cards, the eSIM is smaller and more convenient, and it allows you to use multiple numbers simultaneously. I really love the value for money of this eSIM. Not only is the network speed fast, but the price is also very affordable. Using this eSIM for internet access was completely smooth with no lag or buffering. I could browse the web, watch videos, and enjoy a high-speed internet experience. I'm extremely satisfied with this eSIM experience and highly recommend it to everyone. The indoor signal was quite poor, there was no signal at first, and it took about an hour to connect. Calling customer service went unanswered. Hopefully, the service can be improved, otherwise, it's been good. I used it in Finland and Estonia. When the connection became unreliable, I contacted them via WhatsApp and they immediately pointed out a setting error. It's amazing for the price. Thank you. I experienced 2 sudden internet outages during the trip, each lasting at least several hours. My fellow travelers, regardless of which telecom provider they used, did not have this problem. Even in central Vienna, Austria, there were areas where the signal was weak. In Prague, Czech Republic, the signal was strong everywhere. The price was also reasonable, so I'm satisfied. I traveled to several European countries and was able to use it without any problems. Activation was easy, and I would like to use it again. Prepare well for your trip to Europe with a convenient eSIM. It is easy to install and use. It's not difficult at all. Good, good. The cross-border transfer between countries is not going smoothly and will take a long time, but everything else is fine. Very good quality. My QR code wasn't working at first, the customer service changed another one for me. Thank you. It's very convenient to use, and the network connection has been quite smooth. There haven't been any problems. With eSIM, I can activate a local plan instantly and never need to buy a new SIM card again. The best eSIM I've ever used. Stable, fast, and no hidden fees. Definitely worth a try.